Well, hi everybody. It's another cold wintry day here in Pennsylvania, but down under in Australia, it's the middle of summer. So we're going to bring some sunshine and warmth to your next quilting projects as we just got in a ginormous shipment of Aboriginal fabrics from M&S Textiles. We are always delighted to get fabrics, beautiful quality fabrics from this company. They're absolutely exquisite. We got so much that I'm going to have to go a little quicker than I normally do. And some of those some of these are fabrics that we've had before, and some of them are new. So on every bolt of fabric, we get this really cool description, a little story behind the art that creates these gorgeous fabrics. So be sure to come to Ladyfingers if you can, and if you can't, shop online. Everything is loaded and ready to go for you to order at ladyfingersewing.com. This bush dreaming looks like a new color, at least for here. Sometimes the Australian designs are only available in Australia, and then after a while they do release them. This one is called Bush Plum, and we've had this before, but it sells very, very quickly because of the beautiful green coloring. And it's a light. And this one is Bush Spinifex. Now this one is also in one of the fat quarter bundles, or in some of the fat quarter bundles labeled red. And we do have a few of those left. So if you're interested in the fat quarter packages that come from M&S, be sure to check us online for those because they sell out quite quickly, as do the purples. Now this is a new color in bush seeds, so it's vibrant and very, very pretty too. This is by Cindy Wallace. And again, we have the story behind the artist and the artistry, so they're fun to read. This is a new stripe called Dreamtime Story, or I'm sorry, it's called Home Country. And isn't that gorgeous? What about a great border for your quilt projects? Another light, Dancing Flowers. We have had this one before, but I know we ran out, so here's some more. Come and get it. I don't know how quickly I can get the Aboriginal fabrics in because of shipping these days. Things get held up in the ports, and so, you know, I guess it's creating a sense of urgency for all of us to get what we want when we want it. So when you see it and you want it, it's best to get it right away. Here is one of my favorites. In fact, I'm using this in a new quilt project that's an AccuQuilt project. This one is called Gathering by the Creek. It's a gorgeous combination. It's mostly red, but it has some orange, green, and a vibrant blue purple as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful stripe. Here is a complementary red to go with called Caming Ground, and it's by Charlie. Super useful, non-directional. And Yalki, this one goes really fast because it's a gorgeous jadey green, just pretty teal colors and a little bit of green in there. This one is by June Smith. And then the other Yalki in blue, just spectacular. All your colors right there.